Hi, Mike Bender, co-founder of Mobibooth, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Mobibooth Cruise. I've got a couple of them here with me, including this one's for an iPad 9.7. This larger model can go for a iPad 10.5 and also the iPad 11. And then I also have with me a cute little mini. You can kind of see the size differences, so depending on how your attendants are, how big they are, you might choose your size accordingly. Personally, I find the mini to be a much more comfortable size throughout the event. One of the things I'd like to show you today is how easy it is to set up a cruise and get it running out of the box. We'll demo that with this one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab it by the arch here, pull off the magnetic faceplate. We're going to set it down on it face down, and we're going to grab one of the power cables. You get two of these in the package. Just need to use one of them. It will come with a USB-C or a lightning connector here, plus a power connection. The first thing we're going to do is feed through the USB-C or lightning cable, and then we're going to plug into the power here. We're going to use this on the front side to be able to charge our iPad while in use. Now, if you don't need your iPad, if it's a short event, or if it's fully charged, just going to be an hour or two event, you may not need to plug it in, so that can help you save your battery life. So we're just going to come in here, we're going to feed it in, plug it, insert it like this. We'll take our faceplate. Don't really have to line it up too much, and it'll snap right into place. Now this is nice and sturdy. We've had some people question. They're going to be secure for you, but yet a nice, easy access like this. Next, I'll talk to you about our RAV power. This is our recommended power block. It's 38,000 milliamp hours. Comes with 3 ports on it. We'll be using 2 of those. One will be for the iPad, and one will be for our lights. I'm going to plug these in, and then our cruise comes to life. On the back side, we will find 2 buttons. One is for turning the lights white, and the other one is for pattern selection. This will allow you to change what the LEDs are doing for apps that are not integrated. Now, if you're using Snapic, our Mobibooth Cloud, Breezebooth, Photos app, then you will be able to integrate throughout the app, and we will talk about that in a future video. One of the reasons we chose the RAV power supply is due to its small form factor and its ability to easily slide into your front pocket. This allows your roaming attendants to easily grab the unit and walk around with it with full ability to move around. For more information about the Mobibooth Cruise, you can visit our website, mobibooth.co/cruise, or click the link below.